So, good afternoon, this is Val Villamar, Tribooster, belching. I just installed one unit of Tribooster for this 4 liters engine, Mitsubishi L300. So the problem of this engine is black smoke or apprehended by the smoke belching. So let's see after installation if Tribooster can eliminate the black smoke of this engine. Let's see. Dito po. Diyan lang, parang nakaganyan.
Wala.
Kanina may usap ba?
Ngayon na yung uso.
Ha?
Oo, malinis na.
Ha?
Malinis na. Okay, sir.
So after installation, the black smoke is gone. So I will show you the owner of this AOA 7490 L300. So sir, nawala ho ba yung black smoke natin? Ito pa yung asawa niya.
Problem solved po.
Okay po. Okay, nawala po ba yung black smoke na problem natin?
Wala po,
So-
parang hindi umaandar eh.
So balik po kayo kasi ito sa church namin, Jesus Christ Saves Global Outreach, para ma-check natin palagi ang inyong engine.
Maraming
So,
salamat po.
2 taon po yung warranty nyo. Balik-balikan nyo lang po ako rito. Ako po bahala sa black smoke nyo. Thank you so much, sir.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
And the Lord bless us all. Okay. Tribooster po yung saver. May the Lord bless us all. Thank you. My son, do not forget my teachings, but keep my commands in your heart, for they will prolong your life many years and bring you prosperity. Let love and faithfulness never leave us. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart. They will gain favor in the hearts of God, in hearts of man. Thank you so much.